Okay, we're at the range today. We're doing a concealed carry class, and one of the class members got some of the new Fort Scott ammo from the shop, Doug Frizzell. And Doug, say hi to everybody.
How you doing?
And tell me what you wound up with. You're shooting the 45 ACP.
Yeah, I've got a Glock 30, 45.
And we're shooting at actually about 23 feet today. And tell me what you think about the ammo so far.
So far, I love the ammo. It glides right in.
Got a great view. We'll take a video of the target when you're done here in a little bit. And let's show everybody the box. You can see right there the 45 ACP Fort Scott Munitions, and great round for defense, and it's obviously, you'll see in a little bit, very accurate. All right. Roger from Rogers Pawn and Gun. We've been out the shooting range today doing a concealed carry class. Doug Frizzell is one of our students, and Doug used some of the new Fort Scott munitions, and we already told you on the earlier video it performed well. We thought we'd just show you how well it performed. Fort Scott munitions, that's the copper spun bullet. Excellent accuracy, just absolutely blowing the target out. Doug, what'd you think about it?
Oh, I love the bullet. I didn't feel as much recoil on it.
A little lighter weight bullet.
A little lighter weight, very comfortable.
Very comfortable, and yet the energy release on this bullet is amazing. So that's good. Doug, thanks a lot.